Caitlin, there is something in this basket of clothes that I bet you want. It starts with an A and it ends with a Y. Can you find it? Keep looking. Come on, it's in there. Do you want a little help? I'll give you a little help. Getting closer. Getting closer. Come on, it's got to be in there somewhere. Not on that side. It's not this yellow thing. What's that? What's that in there? Do you see it? What's that? Do you not see it because it's upside down? Caitlin, it's right there. It's right there. No, not on that side. There you go. There you go. Did you find Andy? Yeah, you found Andy. Andy's nice and clean. Yay!